Winter is a quiet period for nature, but for fruit growers it is a very active and important time. While trees are resting, this is the moment to prepare the orchard for the season ahead. The work done during winter has a direct impact on tree health, fruit quality, and overall yield. One of the most important winter tasks is pruning. Removing dry, damaged, and diseased branches helps trees breathe better and receive more light. A well-shaped canopy improves air circulation and reduces the risk of fungal diseases. Young trees are pruned to form a strong structure, while mature trees are pruned to balance growth and fruit production. Clean and sharp tools are essential. Pruning tools should be disinfected regularly to prevent the spread of infections from one tree to another. After pruning, larger cuts should be protected. Natural tree wax, grafting wax, or a simple mixture of clay and ash can be used to seal wounds. This protects the tree from moisture, fungi, and bacteria during cold and wet periods. Different fruit trees require different pruning approaches. Apple and pear trees benefit from removing vertical shoots that block sunlight. Stone fruits such as plums and cherries require careful pruning to maintain a balance between older and younger branches. Proper timing and technique reduce stress on the tree. Winter is also ideal for soil enrichment. Organic fertilizers such as well-rotted manure, compost, or vermicompost improve soil structure and fertility. These materials help the soil retain moisture and provide nutrients for spring growth. Fertilizer should be spread around the tree, but not directly against the trunk. Light digging helps nutrients penetrate deeper into the soil and also reduces weed growth. Wood ash can be added in small amounts as a natural source of potassium. If the soil is acidic, lime may be used carefully to adjust pH levels. Soil testing is highly recommended before applying any fertilizer. Knowing what the soil lacks prevents overfeeding and keeps trees healthy. February is also a key month for preventive protection. Fallen leaves, old fruit, and plant debris should be removed from the ground, as they can harbor pests and diseases. During dormancy, trees can be treated with copper-based solutions to reduce fungal infections. These treatments are most effective when temperatures are above freezing, but before buds begin to swell. Whitewashing tree trunks with diluted lime helps protect bark from temperature fluctuations and sun damage. Adding a small amount of copper sulfate improves protection against fungi and moss. Winter is also the right time to inspect fences, irrigation systems, and tools. Pruning equipment should be sharpened and cleaned. Regular tree inspections allow early detection of pests or rodent damage. Careful winter preparation leads to stronger trees, fewer problems, and a more productive growing season. The effort invested now will be clearly visible when spring arrives.